Hi, welcome to the T Academy. This video is working on the math strategy of doubles plus 2. Now this is very similar to the two previous videos learning doubles and doubles plus 1. It's using the same strategy except for this time you're looking at math problems where it's 2 more than what the double is. So once your child has memorized these math facts with your doubles, very important. They have to have that skill set first, that as soon as they see 8 plus 8, they know the answer is 16. As soon as they see 4 plus 4, they can pop out 8. Once they can do that, then they're ready to use doubles plus 1 and doubles plus 2. We are trying to teach your child to look for patterns in number sentences and math problems so that they can find the answers as quickly and easily as they can, not having to count on with their fingers or using the other strategies. They just see it and they know it. This knowledge will help them in upper grades as math gets more difficult and has multi-step directions. So again, once your child has these math facts memorized, then they're ready for the doubles 1 and the doubles 2 strategies. So for example, if they have this sheet and they're working on, we're teaching them to look for doubles in number sentences. So 2 plus 4, they could say, oh, I know 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is just 2 more, so 4 plus 2 more would be 6. If they are looking at this equation 7 plus 9, think about, ooh, I know 7 plus 7 is 14. 9 is just 2 more than 7, so 14 and 2 more, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. When they get to this problem of 6 plus 8, teaching them to think about the double. Oh, 6 plus 6, I know that. That's 12. 8's just 2 more than 6 plus 6. And so 12, put in my head and count on 2 more. 12, 13, 14. So the answer must be 14. So you can tell some of these are much more difficult problems, but they can still get the answer very quickly if they think about the doubles that they already have memorized. 5 plus 7. Might even picture in their head a tens frame with the 5 and the 5 more. I know 5 plus 5, that's 10. Well, 7 is just 2 more, so 10 and 2 more, the answer is 12. I hope this helps you understand the strategy of doubles plus 2.